Every night when you fall asleep, your body becomes quiet, but your mind does not simply switch off. It begins creating images, places, people, and stories that can feel completely real. That strange inner world is what we call a dream. In a dream, you might fly through the sky, return to childhood, talk to someone you miss, or find yourself in a place that could never exist in real life. While it happens, the impossible often feels perfectly normal. For thousands of years, people believed dreams were messages from gods, spirits, or the future. Ancient civilizations took them seriously because dreams seemed to come from somewhere mysterious beyond ordinary waking life. Today, science gives us a different answer. Dreams are created inside the brain. They are not messages from outside the body, but they still remain one of the strangest things the human mind can do. Almost everyone dreams, even people who say they never do. Most dreams disappear quickly after waking, so the real mystery is not only why we dream, but also why we forget so much of it. Dreams usually happen during specific stages of sleep. The most vivid dreams often appear during REM sleep, a strange stage when the brain becomes very active while the body remains deeply relaxed. During REM sleep, your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids. Your brain works almost like it is awake, but most of your muscles are temporarily switched off, so you do not act out your dreams. This is why you can run, fight, fall, or fly inside a dream without actually jumping out of bed. The brain creates the experience, but the body is protected from copying most of the movements. But what is your brain actually doing while you dream? One strongest scientific theories says that dreams help organize memories. During the day, your brain collects enormous amounts of information. At night, it begins sorting everything into order. Imagine taking thousands of photographs every single day without ever organizing them. Very quickly, it would become impossible to find anything. Your brain faces the same problem, and sleep may be the time when that huge collection is carefully organized. Scientists have discovered that dreams often include events from the previous day. A conversation, a familiar face, a television program, or even a short walk may suddenly appear again while you sleep. But dreams rarely replay real life exactly as it happened. Instead, your brain mixes memories together, creating strange combinations of people, places, and events that have never existed in reality. That is why dreams often seem confusing. Your brain combines memories, imagination, and emotions into one story. While dreaming, even impossible situations feel completely natural. Another popular theory suggests that dreams help process emotions. Happiness, fear, sadness, and excitement may all be explored while we sleep, helping the brain better understand difficult experiences. Researchers have found that people under stress often experience more vivid dreams and sometimes more nightmares. Although unpleasant, these dreams may help the brain work through emotional challenges. In other words, while your body rests quietly, your brain never truly stops working. Throughout the night, it continues organizing memories, processing emotions, and preparing you for another new day. Some scientists believe dreams also work like a training simulator. The brain creates imaginary situations, allowing us to practice reactions without facing any real danger. This idea is known as the threat simulation theory. It suggests our ancestors may have survived more often because their brains repeatedly practiced dangerous situations while they slept. Of course, not every dream is dangerous. Some dreams are peaceful, funny, or completely impossible. You might talk to animals, visit another planet, or fly above your hometown without questioning any of it. One of the strangest things about dreams is that we almost never notice how unrealistic they are. While dreaming, the logical part of the brain becomes much less active than it is during the day. That is why impossible events feel completely normal until we wake up. Only then do we suddenly realize that nothing we experienced could actually happen in real life. Sometimes something even more unusual happens. A person suddenly realizes they are dreaming without waking up. This rare experience is called a lucid dream. During a lucid dream, some people can decide where to go, what to do, and even change the dream itself. They can fly, explore fantastic places, or simply enjoy the experience. Scientists are still trying to understand why lucid dreams happen. They believe parts of the brain responsible for self-awareness briefly become active while the rest of the brain remains asleep. Not everyone remembers their dreams. In fact, most dreams disappear within just a few minutes after waking. If you don't think about them immediately, they often vanish forever. Scientists believe this happens because the brain quickly switches from sleep mode to normal waking activity. As attention returns to the real world, many dream memories are never stored for long-term recall. Some people keep a dream journal beside their bed. Writing down a dream immediately after waking helps train the brain to remember more dreams over time. Modern sleep laboratories have answered many questions about dreaming, but they have also revealed how much remains unknown. Even advanced brain scanners cannot fully explain why every dream is different. Most researchers now believe dreams probably have more than one purpose. They may organize memories, process emotions, improve learning, and prepare us for future situations, all during a single night of sleep. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons. While you sleep, countless connections remain active, exchanging information and strengthening important pathways throughout the night. This means sleep is far from wasted time. Even while your body rests peacefully, your brain continues one of the busiest and most important jobs it performs every single day. Every morning you wake up carrying the results of that hidden work. Your memories are a little stronger, your emotions a little calmer, and your brain better prepared for whatever the new day will bring. Dreams are not unique to humans. Scientists have discovered that many animals also appear to dream. Sleeping dogs move their paws, cats twitch their whiskers, and birds show similar patterns while resting. This suggests that dreaming may have existed long before humans appeared. If many animals dream, then dreams could be an ancient survival ability that evolved millions of years ago. Throughout history, some remarkable ideas have been inspired by dreams. A few scientists, inventors, and artists have even solved difficult problems after waking from an unusual dream. Even if dreams cannot predict the future, they often reflect what fills our minds today. Our memories, emotions, hopes, and fears quietly become part of the stories created every night. That is why two people can experience completely different dreams after living through the very same day. Every brain builds its own unique story using personal memories and emotions. Although scientists have learned a great deal about sleep, dreaming remains one of the greatest mysteries of the human brain. Every new discovery answers one question while creating several new ones. Future technology may help researchers understand dreams much better than we do today. Until then, every sleeping brain continues giving science new mysteries